Number two, the Kenyan shilling will devalue significantly. Will devalue. It will lose value in the year 2020.
The Kenya shilling continues to take a hit as it suffocates from lack of dollar inflows in the market. During Friday trade, the currency touched a 5-year low, trading at 106 to the dollar.
So the advice from the Spirit of God was to save in dollars. To save in dollars.
In what could turn out to be central bank's worst nightmare, the home unit continued with its losing streak for the 5th day in a row. The Kenyan shilling touching lows of 106.6 to the green buck in what traders attribute to lack of inflows, everybody holding back onto their dollar.
Omba sana isiende chini to affect